Okay, so everything check. I also file check. Everything check. Restart guest. Yes. Hello guys, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan, and I am installing Windows 11. Enter. No problem. We will restart guest again. 11. Installing. Windows 11 install. Keyboard or input time, everything okay. Next, install now. Setup starting. Features, okay, you can see one. There are many options. Windows 11 home, and let's not consider N. And home single language, education M, pro N, and yeah, pro education N. Many features are there now, and this pro for workstation and pro and for workstation is of this player VMware. So we have so many features now. Education, Microsoft has added Windows 11 education. I think it was there before only. So I'm going to install let me install home because it takes less time and doesn't take much RAM. Much RAM. Okay, this is the, let me read it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now it's very much good. Upgrade. I am installing it for the first time. No upgrade. Okay, we need 60 GB. I have allocated 60 GB space for it. Installing Windows, getting Windows 11 install. Keyboard or input time, everything okay. Next, install now. Setup starting. And I'm going to tell you many features about Windows 10, and yeah, another video will.
One eternity later.
So installing updates is taking time and no percentage is written here, so I think it will take I don't know,
2,000 years later.
it's asking me the country.
One eternity later.
I can show sort by here everything is like that only. Yeah, let me see. Okay, you can see some pictures have changed and DVD drive D. Here I have installed it. Okay, and I have some things, and in this PC the icons have some type of change. Yeah, in local disk C has actually 42 GB free. Oh, so I use 20 GB in installing program files and etc. After I give it full, I actually more all of my GB or RAM to this, then it will work perfectly and it will be very good. and some icons have changed, and here I this site in another window, as you have seen. If you have not seen, just see it again. I think, or I did something, I don't know. Okay, let me cross this. Yeah, so let's see. After the release date, Microsoft unofficially stated that it would be the last version of Windows. Yeah, Microsoft told that it will be the last version of Windows, but it has yeah, there are some things written. So but you can see here and let's see, Windows 11 is written in C language, actually all the C's. Very good. Okay, so let me see what we can do in browser. I don't think we can do much things. Okay, you can see here this lines which tells us no problem. Let's go to File Explorer. Yeah, it's taking time to load here. Okay, wait a minute. What? Something came just in. Oh, what is this? Oh, we can. This is a nice thing actually. Very nice. Okay, let me try this one. Very nice. This is the only good feature that I find. At the channel, it took me how much time? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, 47 minutes, and I paused many things, so I think it will be